Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for today's unboxing because I've got something new to share with you. A 500 double wall thermal coffee mag with a spoon. I've been looking for a mag like this for a while and I can't wait to show you all. Plus, if you know someone who loves coffee, this would make such a great gift. Let's open it up. Look at this beauty. It's a sleek thermal coffee mag that holds 500 ml of your favorite hot or cold drink. The material is high quality stainless steel with a double wall vacuum insulation, which means it keeps your coffee hot for hours or your iced drinks cold too. You can check the video description below for the shop link. It feels so sturdy and well made, and I love the matte finish. It gives it such a premium look. But here's the coolest part. Check this out. There's a foldable spoon hidden at the bottom. How genius is that? The spoon is super handy for stirring your coffee, tea, or even instant noodles if you're using this on the go. And when you're done, it folds neatly back into the bottom of the mag. No more losing your spoon, it's always right there when you need it. Alright, let's test it out. I'm going to make myself a hot coffee to see how well this mag works. Look at how spacious it is. 500 ml is the perfect size for a big cup of coffee. And the double wall insulation means I don't have to worry about burning my hands. Whether you're a coffee lover, a tea enthusiast, or just someone who's always on the go, this mag is a must-have. And like I said earlier, it's also a fantastic gift idea for anyone who loves their drink hot or cold. I highly recommend it. You can find it on Shopee or Lazada using the link in the video description. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my future uploads. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.